I have seen the presence is really very appreciable. So thank you very much, SMC Secretary. Now, today's presiding officer and a very dedicated and dynamic, all of have seen and realized the SMT Chairman, J. Saravanan, our immediate past International President, Balachandran ji, our mentor, founder, past International President, and our well-wisher, Alai B. Tirupati Raju ji, another past International President, D.M. Rao ji, all international directors, and the member of the multiple sitting on the dash, and very, very dynamic and dedicated district governors, vice district governors, and all other members sitting on the hall. Firstly, I am extending my very, very sincere thanks to SMC Chairman, who invite me as a chief guest and giving me a respect and regard. So thank you very much, SMC Chairman. Now I would also like to thank the host, district governor, Madek Gupta, and his entire team, who made a very nice arrangement, organized a meeting in a very successful manner. The ambience of the hall is also very nice. The quality of food is also very appreciable, and the accommodation, whatever is provided, is also very nice. So overall, this credit goes to the host district, Madek Gupta, and his entire team for arranging a very, very nice meeting in a great manner. Thank you very much. Friends, leadership is not a crown for honor. Leadership not a crown for honor. The leadership is a sense of responsibility. The leadership is a sense of motivation. The leadership is a sense of sincerity and maturity. Friends, I would also like to congratulate our SMC Chairman, who conducted 2 SMC meetings in a very successful manner. I got the feedback, so I would like to congratulate SMC Chairman for conducted last 2 multiple weeks. Friends, the performance of the South Multiple is a performance of our organization. This is in a very real sense. So, I would like to once again salute to all the members, to all the governors, all the vice governors and the leaders of South Multiple for giving a very, very tremendous and very, very remarkable performance given to me. Now the South Multiple has given the performance in all parameters. It may be LMF, it may be in new clubs, or in the sense of service activities also. Our previous leaders have already informed that as per the information provided by the International Office, the total LMF was 765, and out of which the South Multiple given a contribution, a very, very contribution, a remarkable contribution, that is 716. So again, I congratulate and giving my best compliments to all the governor, vice governor, and all the members for giving a very, very tremendous performance. Apart from that, total new clubs is open 140, and out of that, the South has given 114. This is really a very, very appreciable and remarkable performance given by all the district governors and vice district governors and their leaders. So, once again, I would like to congratulate and giving my best compliments to all the governors and vice governors. Apart from that, few districts have given really a very, very extraordinary performance. And I would like to mention their name also. So far as few districts have given more than 100 LMF. And by way of this, everybody knows that I also appreciate and announce that District 272, Bangalore, Alai Satyavati is given the maximum LMF of 118 so far as our international information is correct. I must congratulate and giving my best good wishes that she has announced for 125. So my once again good wishes and congratulations to you. She has also given 21 new clubs. For that also thanks for your valuable cooperation and valuable support also. Another very dynamic and a very dedicated district who is always given performance for the last so many years I have seen, and that is the District 247 Vellore, the Gokul Krishnan. Recently he given 110 LMF and 16 new clubs. I would like to invite here. I would like to please come here. You come here, please. I would like to invite you and honor you with a small piece of this token. This is the second district who has given more than 100 LMF. Satyavati, I have already honored you. You got the honor during Goa International Board meeting. I have honored you through that. So I would like to congratulate and giving my best wishes for giving a tremendous performance by giving more than 100 LMF, and wish you all the best. Yeah. Another district, District 200, Hyderabad. I must appreciate he has this year he has given a very nice performance, and he has given so far 87 LMF and 5 new clubs. And this Narayanan has assured me to complete this 100 LMF by the end of this month, December. So I would also like to congratulate District 200 Hyderabad for giving a very nice performance. Apart from that, few districts have also given a very nice performance so far as LMF and new clubs are concerned, and that is plus 50 LMF given. In this regard, we would like to giving our best compliments and congratulations to District 105, Visakhapatnam, Usha Rani. She has given 52 LMF so far, new clubs, and also one new district in Kathmandu. Tanova, we have also visited along with that. So congratulations for giving a very nice performance. My good wishes to you. Another district, District 268, Mandya, Ishwar Chananji. Sorry, Mandya, Madegowda. Now he has given 56 LMF and 9 new clubs. Very nice performance, and congratulations and good wishes to you for giving a tremendous performance of 56 LMF and 9 new clubs. Another is 162 Siddipet. Ishwar Charanji. I know during the visit of Rajuji along with me, and we were discussing and motivated him, and because of that he has immediately motivated a number of LMF and completed 50 LMF and given 9 clubs, 9 new clubs. So congratulations and my heartiest good wishes to you for giving a very nice performance. Further, you have assured for another district, so I hope that you will definitely fulfill your commitment. Thank you very much. Another district, District 270, Coimbatore Royal. No doubt Priyagiri is giving a very nice performance, given 45 LMF and 12 new clubs. She has also assured me to complete the 50 LMF by the end of this month. So I hope that definitely you will achieve this target, and convey my congratulations and good wishes to Priya also for doing a very nice performance. And so far as service activities are concerned, districts are given more than 100. So many districts are given more than 200. So many districts are giving 1,500 also. So service activities is really very, very remarkable. Now, this year we got some ambassador of goodwill also. We would like to congratulate and giving our good wishes to the members who became the ambassador of goodwill. In this regard, District 270, Coimbatore, given two ambassador of goodwill awardee, that is Joseph Raj and another is Jay Krishnan. Jay Krishnan is kept, not kept. Okay, you just express our best compliments and congratulations for becoming the ambassador of goodwill. Another very small district, that is District 132, Rajapalyam. He has given one ambassador of goodwill, that is R. Murugan. Please come and have an appreciation certificate from me. Another ambassador of goodwill is, that is 272, Ajanta Ranga Swami, who also became an ambassador of goodwill during our Goa International Board meeting, and during that we have already congratulated to them. Another district 273, Mamlapuram. Recently, Abdul Hamid became the ambassador of goodwill, so I would like to congratulate Abdul Hamid also. Wish you all the best for giving this ambassador of goodwill awardee. Thank you. Thank you. Apart from that, we would also like to appreciate during the visit of Rajuji along with me in Telangana and discussed with Dr. Srinivas Alagunda, and as per their commitment, he has given one new LMF club. That is the new LMF club given by this Venkateshwarlu, the district governor. So I would like to congratulate district governor also for giving the new LMF club and also paid the entire amount also. Similarly, Udupi is a newly born district. Udupi is a newly born district, and in spite of that, he has given 8 LMF and 7 new clubs, and also assured to give one new district also. So I would also like to congratulate the performance given by ODP also. So if you just assess the overall performance of the South, there is no comparison, and there are no any words to appreciate, and always the credit goes to the leader of the multiple. So I would also like to ultimately congratulate and good wishes to the SMC chairman J. Sarvanand for giving a tremendous performance so far as his multiple is concerned, and I would like to honor this SMC chairman also. I requested Rajuji to present this memento to our SMC chairman for giving. Success is never permanent. Success is never permanent. Failure is not a final. So do your sincere efforts. Do your sincere efforts unless and until your victory makes a history like 272 Satyavati and other district governor who have given a really very tremendous performance. Here we would also like to give our sincere thanks, very, very respectful thanks, regards to the founder and a past international president, V. Tirupati Raju. Under his motivation, under his guidance, this association reached on the height of the organization, and because of his persuasions, motivations, now our organization have a very, very international image in the world also, and by this credit goes to our V. Tirupati Raju. He always moving from one place to another place. Recently, when we got the opportunity to visit Telangana, because of his motivation, Dr. Srinivas Giri assured 2 new districts. He has given one 11th Blue Club. Siddipet given a very nice performance. So he is always moving from one place to another place. I salute and paying our best regards and respect to Rajuji for continue doing their sincere effort in the growth of this organization. So once again, I would like to congratulate and salute to all the district governors, vice district governors and the members of this South Multiple for giving their marvelous and tremendous performance. Now we would like to inform you that the international convention is already finalized and it will be held on 28th and 29th March 2026 at Jaipur. So I request all the governors, vice governors and all the members, please make your plan to visit Jaipur and attend and make successful this international convention. I assure you, to the best of my ability, best of my knowledge, best of my experience, I will try to provide the good hospitality at Jaipur. So all of you are cordially invited here. Now, so far as international directory is concerned, though it is little late, but by getting very valuable cooperation and assistance given by our Kala Jagar, it is possible to release the international directory, and it will be dispatched the international directory within this week to all the district governors, and all the board members and other members will get the directory within 1 week. So I am very much thankful to Kala Jagar for giving their valuable support for making the successful international directory. Now another district. Recently we have received this information from the international. When I came here yesterday, we received this information from international that the district 262 is also completed 50 LMF and 5 new clubs. I would like to invite Kaliyappan. Please come here. Congratulations and good wishes for completing the 50 LMF and 5 new clubs also. And as the international director assured for giving a good growth of new members, I wish that he will definitely succeed. So wish you all the best for your very nice support. Thank you very much. With these words, I would like to conclude my feelings. I wanted to share you the birth given by others. The name is also given by others. Income is also given by others. Respect is also given by others. Even first and last bath is also given by others. And after the death, your property and belongings will be also taken by others. And funeral is also performed by the others. Still we have the unnecessary ego problem. Still we have the unnecessary ego problem in my life. Let us all simplify our life and live and others peacefully. With these words, thank you very much for your wonderful performance. Once again salute, once again thanks, very thanks for your valuable performance. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your excellent address. Now I request the founder and past international president, IIP Tirupati Raju Garu, to provide his address.